Hola, listeners. This is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the very first episode of hashtag Tech Set Go. Today, we're going to talk about the impact of cloud computing on the healthcare industry. But before we jump into its impact on healthcare, let's just quickly understand the meaning of cloud computing in a very simple way. Say, for example, before the cloud, you want to host a movie booking service. When customers would need to book a ticket, then they'll send the request from their computer to your server. Let's just pick a movie, a random movie, The Batman. Yeah. So, as per the customer's choice, your server would select the seats, and after the card payment, the tickets will get booked. Bingo. In such scenarios, your server may be capable enough to handle 1000 such requests on daily basis. However, what if the demand exceeds 30,000 requests, that too at the very same time? And as the universal rule of the internet goes, delays are not acceptable. On the other hand, in cloud, we have a shared pool of computer resources like storage, servers, applications, etc. Whenever you need more resources, just ask. The question, the best thing is you'll only pay for what you use. There is no extra payment. Yeah. So nowadays, the use of cloud computing in healthcare has increased dramatically, especially during the pandemic. The entire healthcare system dependent on the application of cloud computing. Hence, IT rocks and every sector gets the most out of its benefits. The very first benefit is healthcare providers produce massive amount of digital data every year. These include lab tests, insurance claims, EMRs, and prescriptions. Cloud technology helps handle that data efficiently. The second major benefit is the experience of patients gets improved. Doctor can ensure better patient involvement by providing real-time access to lab test reports, medical information, and doctors' notes using cloud technologies for healthcare. It helps patients maintain their health more precisely with better knowledge. One more thing is it is convenient. Yeah. So cloud solutions enable interoperability in healthcare and make patients' information accessible for flexible distribution and getting insights to facilitate healthcare delivery. But hey, don't get too impressed with its benefits, as cloud computing comes with a land of full of risks, and the main risks include: first is you can hardly find experts who can use these types of technologies in the best way. The second risk is the risk of security. Due to the primary cloud setup, a company's data share on the server with other companies and the remote systems to individualize them, and that may fail. It causes a situation where healthcare agencies fail to adopt cloud solutions. And yes, the issues with adopting technologies might be hard for the people. So yeah, the thing is, what are the solutions to these challenges? Nothing to worry about. Mindful Talks is here for that only. And we can't run after just saying the risk factors. We need to give you the answers as well. So yeah, the solutions, the best solutions we can give to you is, decide your objectives. Understand the requirements of cloud systems in your healthcare organization. If your reason is to save expenses, data protection, and better backups, only then go with cloud computing. You can also outsource job to offshore technical vendors or create in-house technical team or hire freelancers as per your need and budget. Lastly, if we implement cloud computing in every healthcare organization that is in actual need, then we can definitely shape the future in a very fantastic way. If you are looking for more information about cloud computing, visit www.mindinventory.com. So yeah, this is it. Let's just end today's podcast. We'll definitely meet in the next episode. Till then, keep advancing.